Today, I'll show you how you can install Cinema HD APK on your FireStick. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, open the settings on your FireStick, then go to My Fire TV. Now, if you don't see Developer Options, go to About. Tap on your Fire TV device name 7 times until it says you are now a developer. Once you are a developer, go back and open Developer Options. Then, find Apps from Unknown Sources and turn it on. After that, press the Home button on your remote, go to Find, then click on Search. Now type Downloader and download the Downloader app. When it's done, open it. If it asks you for permission, just choose Allow Now. In the Downloader app, type this code in the URL box, 817643. Then press Go. Once the page opens, you will see different versions of Cinema HD APK. Choose the version you want to download and install. Before you install, it's a good idea to use a VPN to keep your streaming safe. You can set up a VPN like NordVPN if you don't have one yet. After setting up your VPN, go back to Downloader. Choose the Cinema HD APK version you want, and it will start downloading. Once it finishes downloading, it will ask you to install it. Click Install, and that's it. That's how you can install Cinema HD APK on your FireStick.